Hello, respected judges. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. I am Akrati Pathak, representing Team Rescue Path. Today, I will present our project Rescue Path, an AI powered emergency response system designed to save lives during the golden hours. Page number 1 Introduction. Many accident victims are unconscious and unable to call for help. Rescue Path automatically detect accidents using smart sensor, verify the situation with AI, and instantly alert family members, the nearest hospital, ambulance, and police with the live GPS location. Our goal is simple: every second count, every life matter. Now, the next page is problems statement. Every year, thousands of lives are lost because emergency help arrives too late. The biggest challenge is not the accident itself, it is the delay in response. Victim may be unconscious, the location may not be shared immediately, hospital remain unprepared, and the golden hour is wasted. We asked one question: what if technology could call for help before any human could? That is why we are built Rescue Path. Now next page is how does KeePath work? Our system work in 5 intelligent steps. First, the accident is detected using smart sensors. Second, AI analyzes data from 5 sensors to verify whether it is real or not. Third, the system asks the victim to voice confirmation. If there is no response within 20 seconds, it assumes an emergency. Fourth, emergency alert with the live GPS and automatically sent to family, ambulance, police, and the nearest hospital. Finally, AI generates a complete accident report with time, location, and sensor confidence for future analysis. Now, next pages. Key features. Rescue Path provide 8 powerful features: AI accident detection with high accuracy, instant SOS alert, real-time GPS tracking, multiple emergency contacts, automatic police notification, nearest hospital alert, automatic ambulance dispatch, and AI generate accident report. Together, these features reduce response time and increase the chance of saving lives. Now, next page. Why choose rescue path? Traditional system depends on people making emergency call, which often cause delays. Rescue path work automatically instead of manual reporting. AI detect accident instead of delayed call. Alert are sent within seconds instead of incomplete information. Hospital receive accurate live location and accident detail. Our solution is faster, smarter, and more reliable than traditional emergency system. The next page is a smart sensors suite. Our system combines 5 intelligent sensors. Accelerometer detects sudden impacts. Gyroscope identifies vehicles tilt or rollover. GPS provides live location. Vibration sensor measure collision intensity. Microphone detects crash sound and enable voice confirmation. AI combines data from all sensors to reduce false alarms and improve detection accuracy. Now next page is Live AI Command Center. The dashboard represents how rescue paths work in real life. The system continuously monitors all sensor values. Once an accident confirmed, AI immediately started the emergency response process. Within seconds, ambulance, hospital, police, and family received alert. The dashboard also displays system reliability, response time, battery status, and AI confidence score. Everything happens automatically without human intervention. Now, the next page is let me take you through our roadmap, how this project can grow from a university prototype into a nationwide life saving platform. Phase 1 Research and Prototype. We begin with research and development in this stage. We train our AI model, calibrate sensor, test the hardware, and perform initially field simulations. The goal is to build a reliable and accurate system capable of detecting accident in real time. Phase second, real world validation. Once the prototype is ready, we move to real world testing. Here the system is deployed in control environment and vehicles to validate its perform under actual road condition. This phase help us improve accuracy, reduce false alert, and ensure reliability. Phase third, emergency network integration. After successful validation, the next step is integration with emergency response network. Our platform will automatically connect accident victim with nearby hospital, ambulance, police station, and emergency services. This reduces response time significantly and increase the chance of saving lives. Phase 4, nationwide emergency platform. Finally, our vision is to transform this solution into a nationwide emergency platform by connecting vehicles, emergency services, healthcare providers, and authorities on single intelligent network. We can create a safer and smarter transportation ecosystem across India. Conclusion: our roadmap follow four simple but powerful steps: innovated, test and validated, integrated, connect, and finally impact scale. And our ultimate mission is simple: one vision, one platform, millions of lives protected. Now, let me explain why Rescue Path can transform emergency response. Our system use AI powered decision making to verify accident accurately and reduce false alarms. Once an emergency is detected, alert are sent in within seconds, ensuring a much faster response during the critical golden hours. With real-time GPS tracking, rescue paths provide the exact accident location, instantly connects ambulance, police, hospital, and family members through a unfind emergency network. This quick coordination helps save more lives, reduce injury impact, and improve survival rates. The system is also future ready, designed to integrated with smarter cities, expand across highway and rural areas. In simple words, Rescue Part does not just detect accident, it connects AI emergency services and people to save lives when every second matter. Mission zero delay, maximum survival, smarter emergency response. Thank you, respected judges, for your valuable time and attention. We hope Rescue Path inspired you with its potential to make emergency response faster, smarter, and more reliable. Thank you so much.